I will never look at ice cubes the same after this. Did you know a frozen cube can go boom? Let's see some icy science. We mixed vinegar and baking soda, froze it into ice cubes, then dropped one into warm water. At first, nothing. But then, pop! It started bubbling and fizzing like a mini volcano, all from a frozen cube. That's science in action. When the ice melts, the baking soda and vinegar mix, creating a fizzy gas that makes everything explode. Science is awesome, especially when it's icy. Subscribe for more explosive fun, #cool experiments, #fizzcube, #shorts.